big fish, we cannot undermine any of our African country. I want them to work hard to collectively join these wars that are speaking up. Why do you think Tinubu is trying to join Brig or whatever it is? Why?
Yeah.
So that we cannot go there.
Yeah.
So let's listen to news. Did you see the recent news, yesterday news in Nigeria? UK military is now fighting with Nigeria for peace, to do terrorists or whatever. Where are the UK people going to come to fight? Is it not you and my father's land?
That is it now. That is it.
So can you make your look at Soludo now has gone to go and be looking for our young men and women to put even not rather our young men and women who will look at the Fulani to build this thing, to kill our people. Joe Soludo, what is he doing to reduce the criminality in the land? Only business go with Putumunai Yadieme. Only Afia go with Putumunai Yadiazu. Only this thing, only development go with Puta. Everything that Soludo, all these useless governor, now you Tibu, they made over criminal. They're criminal. They're doing this. Why are they criminal? Is Soludo not a criminal?
Number one.
Until you speak to these people, nothing will be done. Because nothing, this useless military, this useless Nigeria, this useless Europe that are fighting for their interest will not have the audacity to do anything in your father's land if these useless stooges that they put, the errant chief that they put in the name of governor are not there. That's what we have to understand. I hope you can still hear me.
Very, very well. We are listening to you very, very carefully.
Okay. So that is what they are doing. And remember that the purpose of the fight and why they are being very diplomatic with Niger is because of that gas pipeline that is passing through Niger. It's not that Niger is the one providing them with the gas. So it's you and I that is providing. And this Northern Africa have sworn that they must take that gas. These Europeans have sworn that gas belongs to them. And Arapufa, they are diminishing and the thing that they are taking, and Arapufa, they wear freely. That the United States of Biafra is still trying to be 40 states strong. But they are destroy infrastructure. Destroy, yeah. Stop. All the part of Nigeria, I thought thank you.
My sister, thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It's like, you know, continue.
The thing sometimes on our way the lamentation through what our people are going through is very, very sad indeed. But for me,
heartbroken. Continue.
For me, I'm not shaking. For me, I have a very great heart. I have a very strong spirit, because this freedom we're talking about is not for children. It's not for the weak mind. You understand what I mean? Before you defeat a strong man, you must be stronger than that strong man. You have to go. But I actually want to address this to some of our politicians in the Southeast. One, I believe that they are watching your program. I believe some of them do watch your program, and we still have this opportunity to pass a message to them. And these people, they are our brothers. And if you
just hold on. Let us hear from Freeman. Okay. Then you can continue later. Just a moment. Hello, Freeman.
Hello, brother. Bye.
Yeah, my brother. Thank you.
Good evening from here. Thank you, my brother. The guy in the studio. I see you all. like what my brother said. All nine chapusia, Anya is afraid of getting an answer. We are the people cleaning everywhere. In Europe, we are the people working the hard works. Even a hotel, all Moana in the clean hotels. Indian restaurant, all Moana who working Ebana Safari, Ebanaza Street. Why they are living? Why can't we make our own country to be so? And again, he also not in the hotel. Oh, I want outside. What you call the real sufferness. Anyway, and we are trying to bring the good down to the people over there. Manandi have not there like the governors, the senators, they don't care. I'm not why they don't care, you know, and they are dying in silence. And I'm quite they can't speak up. They are just dying in silence. Okay, the other day, Biafra. They couldn't say anything. One hour Gomunia in the eti mgbe Buhari jidere so ela ya mgbe Buhari jidere Igbohu na Cotonou na urokwa na Nigeria ncha ma Tinubu ma Obasanjo ma ndị Muslim ha ma ndị Christian ha ma ndị white ma ndị ojii, all of them had disturb Tinubu Buhari government. Even Hagara Cotonou there, they release this guy. Yala. But we are in Onyona. Okay, look at the story show how we put it. You go to this story show where we put it. Okay, I'm not sure. In a chibamna, Mama de Catuese, or Casho or Catuese go to Kokaya Yumana. Show one of the Kakubana Gojite Kokaya Yumana. Show one of the Kobi Kubana Higojit, and a lot of them. The one who phone you have any platform, or name in a social studio. And those jobs no one now watching it live. And we can do Otani, we have we can say, now, but. How much in okay? Let it down. Last year, no. Last year, somebody disturb over Nigerian government, disturb Waha.Indi Yoruba, yes. Not what can you do? Naya had a map of they first of all, but also London Gaga declare Waha. They were in the London, was for to 1 hour, 21 hours. Yotago, while all Biafrans no the front now log I mean the show this thing. Show against the even how the news. Yes, that Oduduwa has President I will go to London, Hannah, but look at how they say Hannah, you know. This we the Biafrans, we have to come together as one. We will get this thing and that. So one of they can kill it, and then they also should stop attacking this government. Because we are government now. I am not in IPOB, one family. I am not in IPOB. Now we are government. And this government do for everybody. It's just like last time Dr. Damage, she from Sahara, Mary COS, invite Gobia. Every Biafrans saw the pain. Simon Panagabiga, and every Biafrans this guy interview on our good interview. You know, Onyo Berawa said, no, hey, don't go. We don't want you to go that interview. And the Biafrans. This is the government of the people. You go, yes, no, for her people, for his people gonna or not for me. Was saying, let me go. Now, you know, but she listened to the people, to the cry of the people. Or go know that interview. At least that is more courage. That is okay. Inauguration Trump. No matter when you go when you Trump but by how I may go do invite, he may go to Biafrans invite is something. They didn't invite Nigeria. Man, I have the Biafran invite. Yeah, when they go to there, because yes.